the stairs of my porch. This is so awesome. It even covered the big lump that Tommy made with the snow that he was shoveling. Hi, this is Aiman. This is the second day of providing coverage for snowstorm Nemo. It's after midnight, and the wind is really fast and it's blowing really hard, and it's really cold, and it's in a blizzard condition. You can see the snow piling up on the garage roof and the pickup truck. As you can see, the snow is really high, and as I said before, it has covered the steps of my porch. Looks like it reached 2 feet deep. We're going to measure it tomorrow. You can see the paw prints of my kitty, Irelia, on the snow, leading to the house, because it was really cold out there, so he wanted to come inside. This is the front of the house, and you can see that the snow has piled up to the door, so we have to push the door really hard just to get it open. The snow looks so soft and fluffy that if it wasn't cold, I'd mind sleeping in it. You can see the snow blowing, and you can hear the wind howling. I don't know if you could see, but you can see that the road has been plowed, and you can see the depth of the snow. My dad's Japanese maple is almost covered in snow. It's not over yet. There's still 12 more hours to go. I'm going to sleep now, and tomorrow I will show you more.